Hi, it's Brett the Herbalist, and we're back in the kitchen with another recipe. And this recipe today is suitable for the Ultimate Herbal Detox, Ultimate Herbal Slim, and also the Body Tune programs. Today what we're doing is stuffed capsicum. So I've got some beautiful red capsicums here, and we're going to stuff these with sweet potato or kumara and corn. And we're also going to use some curry and garlic to give it some flavour, and a little bit of basil and a tiny bit of yogurt. So this is going to be a really delicious recipe, and it's fairly quick and easy to make as well. So let's do it.